Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. So a company called MOFT reached out to us and they sent us a couple of products that would improve the quality of life, especially with your smartphones, tablets, or even your laptop. So they sent us these two products, which is the MOFT phone stand and the MOFT Airflow adhesive foldable laptop stand. We're gonna quickly unbox these two, have a quick demo of them on a smartphone and a laptop. We'll show you how it works. So this here is the MOFT phone stand and the glass stickers which you will apply on the back of your phone or your casing, and then only you stick this onto the glass sticker. That makes it easily removable and reusable in the future. I have here the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has a casing on it. Let's try it on with the casing. So first you have to wipe the back of your casing clean first. So now that the glass sticker is on, we can put on the phone stand. You just need to peel off another layer. You can then stick it on like so. Just like that. Even if I pull it, it's very hard to come off. So it's firm in place. How the phone stand works is you open the back, fold it down, then it attaches magnetically here. So you can either put it in portrait mode or in landscape mode, depending on how you want your phone to be. So the phone stand looks like this. Another feature that I like about the MOFT phone stand is it can actually keep up to 3 cards in the slot here. Okay, so I've got like a Starbucks card and stuff, so it works just nicely. So you can just pull out the back a bit, and that's where you can slide in the cards. So if you want to retrieve them, just pull the stand down, and then you can just slide them out and take whichever card you need from the back. It does add a bit of bulk to the back of your phone. It's very comfortable because it has this sort of curve that feels very nice in the palms. The fabric itself also has a nice touch, so you can even use it to have a firmer grip on your phone by holding it like this. So apart from being just a phone stand in both portrait and landscape orientation, you also get the card slots which can hold up to 3 cards in the stand itself for when you need a quick trip out to get some groceries and stuff like that. You can put a couple of notes, some money in the back, if you don't want to bring out your entire wallet. And it doesn't feel that thick, actually. It actually feels very comfortable in the hands. Now, moving on, let's try out the MOFT Airflow adhesive foldable laptop stand. So this is what you get: the user manual and the stand itself. How to install: stick to the back of the notebook and near the hinge. Okay. So for the MOFT laptop stand, we have the Acer Swift 3X here for demo. This works well because this is actually ventilated. There are a couple of perforated holes here that allow ventilation and air to go through. This laptop also has ventilation holes near the area where the perforated holes on this laptop stand is. Probably need to peel this off. All we need to do is just stick it on near the hinge. Okay, how to use. Okay, so you just have to remember that when you fold out with both hands, you need to fold this part here, which is in the middle. It has to be folded in, and there you have the stand. So there you have it, the MOFT Airflow laptop stand and the MOFT phone stand. They're both really comfortable, has a nice touch to them, multifunctional, where the laptop stand has multiple angles, sort of embedded into the laptop's thinness, and the MOFT phone stand can also act as a phone holder as well as a mini wallet. So yeah, that's all for this video. Don't forget to give us a like if you like this video, subscribe to the AXO if you haven't already. My name is Terry, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all the next time.